here, aircraft. And this is the cargo plane. And here's like the top, like the engine part. And then more part of it here. And it's like really big all the way along back in there. This is really cool. Look at this. They got it blocked, so we can't really get up there. But it's really cool. I love it up here. It's so cool. And yeah, there's like a bunch of people up here right now, so it's cool. And
I cannot imagine.
Can you go there?
Yeah.
Walk up there? Walk up there. Take off.
I think he's scared of us.
Same loop.
you want to come out? You want to walk out?
Yeah.
Go in
We haven't seen that.
No, wait, did you say they sleep? No, they don't sleep here. They'll sit here.
Right there.
Oh wow, this is uncomfortable.
Yeah, wouldn't it be? Think long ride on that.
And then the plane is.
They told me it was my turn to jump. I'd be like, no, 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 no.
They have they like strap in right here, and they just.
I would hate to be going elevating up.
This is the way it'd be. It'd be just like the way it is now, where this is tilted back.
Yeah.
Oh, hi.
No.
Oh well.
You may have lasted that
It's
long.
really, really dark. No, you don't. Oh, do you like the little toy you got? She's never had one of these when she was little,
Yeah.
so I bought her one.
Little
And
parachute man.
then there is
Migrated into
a speaker and
DC-3s, which is
first
North
aid
Carolina. I flew on one of those as a kid. I remember.
gun.
Is this the one that was so in World War II that would take off in such a short distance? One of these that looks like it puts a workhorse that would take off in such a short distance.
Yeah, oh, I've been on one before. It's awesome.
Whoa, don't fall. Then this is what like everybody would have. Then two guns.
They're DC-3s, which is the next generation.
And then
They got a fleet of them. They're still
emergency
flying.
exit.
And little windows.
Little windows. This is the
The
emergency
difference
exit.
is they've adapted
Tell me
that
that
front
there's no
gear
more
on, so they're
Yeah,
not
this
tail
is the-
draggers anymore.
Cut here for emergency exit.
So you have to cut the little thing. Well, metal thing. I would not jump out of that.
That would be
I'm like,
horrible.
no. I'm gonna die on
See,
this
emergency
plane.
exit. And then I would rather die than jump on that thing.
Yes. I'm like, I'm dying today because I'm not jumping out of that.
And another exit, I think.
Yeah.
And then yeah, and then like a bunch of crap right there. So yeah. Oh, wait. Wall or stuff. Okay, that was it for this video. And yeah, so bye.